How to delete a Fantasy Premier League account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your FPL application from your device, and in order to delete your account, first of all, you have to get logged into your FPL account. Do that, then tap onto your More option on your bottom right. From here under Settings, you will see Manage Account option. Tap Open it. Then at the below, you will see Delete Account. Tap on it. As it is so, in order to permanently delete your FPL account, you have to type in your password. Once it is so, tap on Confirm Password, and this will permanently delete your FPL account. If you would like to log back into your account, you have to do that within 21 days. But if you exceed the time limit of 21 days, your account will be successfully deleted. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.